Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can create a Jira Webhook with craft.io. So the first thing that you want to do is to head over to your dashboard right here, and if this is your first time setting up a Jira Webhook, the first thing that you want to do is to click on the gear icon or the workspace settings. In here, click on the integrations and import, and then we have the development, which is Jira, Azure DevOps, GitHub, and GitLab. You want to select Jira right here, and then you have the ability to simply create a Jira webhook by entering the Jira URL, your email address, the API token and password, and lastly, the connection name. Click on next, and from there you will be able to customize it even further after successfully connecting Jira with craft.io. Once again, it's as simple as navigating through the gear icon, and then you have it right here. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.